YouTube, Matt here. We got a little project today. We're going to be cutting down some baygrasses. I'll show you guys some baygrass we're going to be doing. We're going to straighten up the garden a little bit, make the side of the house look a little bit. All right, so we got this cut down. Tag lilies straightened up, some weeds to pull, and then that guy right there. We're just take you through my process of cutting down my baygrass. What we got going on today, we're going to use one of these pair of clippers. I'm just going to cut down this baygrass. What I usually do is I usually just take a big handful of it, snip it off, throw it on the ground, pick it up later on. Real easy, just come right in here, use your body to kind of shield it back, and just start snipping. Just snip your handful, go on the ground, pick it up when you're done, nice and easy. Easy as that. Hardest part is just trying not to get cut up by the little wispies. Tiger lily one looks pretty sad right now, so we're gonna make him look a little bit nicer. These little guys here you want to rip out, these little old stalks. They're all dead anyway, that's from the first growth. They pull out pretty easily. It's really important too, rip that stuff out. The actual plant will probably come back and you get a second bloom before it freezes. So all this brown stuff, just kind of rip it out with your hand. It comes up real easily. That's all you gotta do. I sometimes call it combing the plant because it really looks like you're just taking your hand, just combing through the plant and pulling out all the dead stuff. I have learned the hard way, do not cut these things down too soon. What happens is you end up stunning them for next year's growth. And it takes you forever to get blooms on next year. So you just kind of pull out some of the dead stuff. Clean up all these weeds around this hydrangea a little bit. A lot better. Alright guys, shameless plug for a Gorilla cart here. This is my Gorilla cart. This thing holds a lot of stuff. I love it. Was able to get down those two bushes, clean up some weeds, thin out the tiger lily a little bit, and then get down that bush right there. All in this Gorilla cart. Let's go dump it in the mulch pile. The back part of the property. Why I like this Gorilla cart, so easy to dump. It's got a handle that just, the thing flips over, then you just pull it away. It's awesome. Wheel her in here, back her up right there. That little handle right down there. You pull that guy, you flip him right up, and all you gotta do is just pull it away. Easy as that. Slam her back down, you're good to go back to work. YouTube, all done, cut down the baygrasses, and the last thing you want to make sure you do when you're all done this little project is whatever clippers you used, you want to make sure you clean them out with some WD-40, because think about it. That little piece of metal, when they slide past each other, if you get all a bunch of dirt and grime inside that, they're not going to work anymore. So I always remember what my dad always said, you want to keep your tools in good shape. Because it makes no sense to just have to spend more money to replace tools because you didn't take care of them. So what you do, I like to open them up like that and just spray a little bit of WD-40 right in the little hinge mechanism there. I do a little flip over and just spray the back side. And then I'll give them one of these every now and then, maybe a little bit of that. And then I'll maybe even dab them off a little bit of paper towel action there. And they're good to go for the next time that you're ready to cut down some more bushes or use them in the yard. If you like this type of content, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.